Why, hello everybody. My name is Billie, and my friend Emily, she gonna let me be on her little YouTube channel today. But I am trying to impress my other neighbor. His name is Chad, and I just have the biggest crush on him, y'all. And let me tell you, I don't know if he even looks at me, but I'm gonna be making some pumpkin muffins, honey, that are gonna knock his socks off. Yes, so stay tuned because we gonna see what's gonna happen later, okay? Okay, y'all, are we ready to get cooking? Okay, now, I've got pre-mixed. I've got a cup and 2/3 of flour, okay? And then I have a teaspoon of baking soda. I've got 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, okay? And that includes cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and allspice, okay? I don't know about you, honey, but I like a little bit of extra nutmeg. So I added an additional quarter of nutmeg, okay? And then I added a half a teaspoon of salt, and what else? I think that's it. I'm looking at my little recipe here. Oh, yes. That's about it. Yes. So then I mix that all together, okay? And that's what I've got right here. So now we gonna get to our wet stuff, okay? I'm gonna get 2 eggs. We gonna add this bad boy to there, and we gonna crack this in here like so, okay? Now I'm gonna wash my hands because I don't want to have no eggy hands, okay? Nobody wants that. Hold on now. Okay, so then we gonna take our sugar, which our sugar is gonna be 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, okay? We gonna add this just like this, okay? And then we gonna add a half a cup of brown sugar, okay? Let's add that brown sugar to the mix, baby. Yes. And then we are gonna go ahead and add our oil. So we need to do a half a cup of canola or vegetable oil. I've got canola, so I'm gonna add some canola oil here. Look at that. I would sure love for Chad to come on by today and see what I'm doing once he gets a whiff of my muffins. I think I might turn into a new woman if he falls in love with me, because you know, they say in order to get to a man, you gotta come through his stomach first, okay? Just saying, okay? So then, after we have done put our sugar, our oil, our brown sugar, and our eggs, we gonna go ahead and add our pumpkin, okay? So what I did is that prior to this video, I had a pumpkin, and I chopped my pumpkin up, and I put in my little ninja blender, and I made a puree, okay? So it looks just like that. Nice and orange, just like I like it, okay? And we gonna add, 1 1/4 cups of pumpkin puree, all right? We gonna dump this bad boy right here. Yes. Okay. Let me use my little spatula to get all this out of here, because you know I don't want to waste nothing. Ooh-wee. It smells very pumpkin-y up in here. All right. So then, after I done added my pumpkin, I'm gonna go ahead and add, hold on now. I'm gonna go ahead and add some oat milk, okay? Because I'm trying to be a little bit healthy, okay? I don't want to look like a fat Mrs. Potato Head, so I'm trying to make things a little bit healthier, all right? So I'm gonna go with some oat milk, and we have a 1/4 cup of oat milk. Y'all like my little heart cup here? It just talks about how I feel about my Chad. Oh, I'm gonna get a little bit here. All right, get yourself together, Billie. Get yourself together. All right, I'm gonna put my milk in my little bowl here. All right, and then I am gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just like that. And then I'm gonna get my whisk, if I can find it, and I'm gonna whisk this together. And oh, here we go. I'm gonna whisk this together. And then we're gonna put the dry ingredients together, and I'm gonna show y'all how that's gonna look, all right? Be right back. Oh, excuse me. It seems like somebody's at the door. I wonder if it's Chad. Be right back. Oh, hi, Billie Jean. Hey, Chad. What you doing here?
Well, Uber told me that you had made some muffins. I think some pumpkin muffins.
Not be quiet. Hush up now, Pup. I'm trying to talk to Chad now.
Oh, hey there, Pup.
Oh, yes. I am making some pumpkin muffins today.
Now, I want to see those muffins. Are they ready yet?
They are not ready, but they will be soon. I'm gonna get ready to put them in the oven. Well, you can come on with me to the kitchen and have a seat at the bar, okay?
Okay, well, can't wait to get my hands on those muffins.
Now, before Chad comes back into the kitchen, I just want to show y'all these little cute little muffin liners. So very thankful. And you know what? I'm so very thankful to have him sitting in my kitchen. Oh, yeah. All right, my sugars. Look and see how lovely this batter is looking. Okay, it is just so velvety and soft. We're gonna get ready to put these in the little muffin liners. Okay, be right back. All right, and things are just coming right along. This batter smells amazing. Where is Chad? I'm waiting for him to come back from outside. He said he was going to his car. I don't know what's taking so long. Oh yeah. Oh hey Chad.
Oh, hey Billie Jean. Ooh, that looks delicious.
You think so?
Oh.
Doesn't this smell amazing? This batter's looking so good.
Oh, this batter smells great.
Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 375, and we're gonna be right back. All right, so now I'm gonna be making a buttercream icing for our muffins, okay? I'm gonna start by taking 1 stick of unsalted butter, and I'm just gonna blend this like so. Now you want to make sure that your butter is at room temperature so it's easier to work with, okay? I'm going to blend this just a little bit more. All right, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, which is AKA powdered sugar, and I'm gonna add this to the bowl, okay? And then I'm gonna add some oat milk, okay? We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of oat milk, okay? If you've never tried oat milk before and you like oatmeal, you should definitely try this, okay? And then I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, okay? So let's do that. 1 teaspoon and a half. Yes. Okay. And that's it. I'm gonna get this all blended up together and we'll be right back. You know, I just don't understand why Chad will not notice me. I mean, I try to look cute and have my hair looking a certain way and my nails and all that, but I don't understand. I think that I'm gonna try doing a makeover. You know, I am just so tired. I really want to do this makeover, but I'm so tired. And Emily is always talking about these turmeric drops that she takes that gives her so much energy. Maybe I can take some of these. I don't know. This is Nanofire curcumin drops. I don't know. Maybe I could take some of these and they'll give me some energy to transform into a new woman for Chad. Be right back.
Hey, Billie Jean, are those muffins ready yet?
Yes. Why don't you come on by and try some of these?
Oh, wow. I didn't know there was going to be some, was that icing on top of those muffins?
Well, this is buttercream frosting. Whoa. And as you can see, I just put a little bit of frosting on there because I know that you like to work out.
Yes, I do. Wow.
Well, there you go.
Well, I finally got my hands on these muffins. I'm just going to take a bite here and wow, you look amazing.
Thank you.
Well, I really enjoyed the muffins.
Well, I am so glad that you love them pumpkin muffins, sugar. Yes. Well, you see, ladies, like I said in the beginning, the way to a man's heart is through his what? His belly. Okay. So now, me and Chad, we gonna live happily ever after. Don't forget to like and subscribe to M's Flavor Stage. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.